Hi, Courtney here, and I'm making something that I make at least twice a month, and it's a very inexpensive vegan dish that you can make. So this is my pinto beans, or sometimes I do white beans. It is very good for you, very good for gut health. I simply soak beans overnight in water. I usually turn it on for about 2 minutes. Dried beans, they're super cheap as well. And then I add about 4 of these garden veggie cubes. I get them at Kroger. You can get them at the health food store. Sometimes I get them at Good Earth Natural Foods here in Hot Springs when they have them. And then I will add a couple of bay leaves to that. And all you do is add water, cover it about 1 inch over the top. I've got it in the crock pot today because I'm going to be gone. Sometimes I do it in the rice cooker, and sometimes I do it on the stove. Kind of my thing is I'll do this a lot when I'm traveling or working out of town for the day on the weekend, because I'll work really long weekends and put this on, and I'll have it when I come home and we'll eat on it. I will cut up some purple onion tonight, and I will make some cornbread, and easy breezy, low fat, healthy, very filling and very good for you, and keeps your body running on good complex carbohydrates. But also, when you mix beans with cornbread, you get a full and complete protein. So that's a really easy, yummy meal. So good luck.